Trusted partnerships. Ultra-modern, high-end, professional, confident, sophisticated, forward-looking. Trusted partnerships, elevating success together. At Millert Services, we believe the strongest growth comes from trusted partnerships that elevate success for everyone involved. Transforming into a network of connected companies. Core philosophy. Collaboration, trust, innovation. Our partnerships are built on collaboration, trust, and innovation, ensuring every relationship delivers measurable impact and mutual growth. Key benefits. AI-driven insights, priority support, industry-leading solutions. Partners gain AI-driven insights, priority support, and access to industry-leading solutions designed to accelerate business growth. Dashboards, charts, and digital workspace. Proven success. Measurable growth. Our partners achieve measurable growth, improved efficiency, and stronger market presence, proof that collaboration drives results. "3D growth charts". Call to action. Join our trusted network today. millertservices.co.uk. Join our trusted network today and unlock the future of collaboration, innovation, and growth. Visit millertservices.co.uk to get started. High-tech, glowing network lines connecting multiple businesses.